Imagine having a magical box that can organize your clips for you.
Wow!
Smart Bins is a function within Resolve that does exactly this. Here's how it works. Let's say we've imported a folder that contains all of the materials that we're going to use for this current project. We have drone shots, different graphics, talking to the camera, screen recordings, etc. Here on the left, we see Smart Bins. If you don't see the Smart Bins, simply go to these three dotted lines and check the Show Smart Bins option. Under Smart Bins, you automatically get this keyword Smart Bin, a Smart Bin that's automatically created based on your clip's metadata. To check your individual clip's metadata, select your clip, go to the inspector, go to File. Under Metadata, you can change all of these settings here. For example, in this one, we have shot. If I wanted to open up my project and automatically have a Smart Bin that has ordered my files based on this shot metadata, all I have to do is go to Preferences, under User, Editing, and check this automatic Smart Bin for shots metadata. Save. If I click the drop down menu, you can see I have set it for drones, talking head, or graphics. Absolutely automatic. And that's all because all of these clips have a shot metadata set. Now, if my clips don't have these, I can still create Smart Bins. Go to this field here, click Add Smart Bin. Then let's create a Smart Bin based on our drone shots. To find all of my drone shots, I would have to use the name here. Simply because I'm using a DJI drone, the way DJI names their files is by simply going DJI at the beginning of every file. So here I would have to have the media pool property setting, then file name, and then contains. If I want to be more specific, I could say matches all. So it's DJI, and then I automatically have a folder that contains all of my drone shots. Now let's create another Smart Bin, but this time we want to have two settings. I want to make a folder that contains my 24 and my 25 frames per second clips. First, I have to click on metadata clip details. Then, since I'm looking for frame rates, I'm gonna choose, of course, shot frame rate. This will include only my preferred frame rate. If I set it is not, it will exclude that. So I'm setting it to first 24. Now I have all of the clips that have 24 frames per second, but now to add in the 25 frames per second clips, I have to click on this plus button here and set the frame rate that I want, which is 25, and here it doesn't show anything. And this is simply because here under match, instead of all, we have to set it to any. So any of these. And now I have a folder that contains both my 24 and 25 frames per second clips. And you can do this with a lot of things. You can do it with your audio bit rate, video codecs, a lot of options. If you want to exclude for some reason your 21st frame per second, you either click on the minus here or uncheck this box, hit create. So if I go to the edit tab, I would have this folder and I can easily access my footage and start making magic. Smart Bins have helped me speed up my organization and editing because of that. If you want to see more workflow tips, hit like and subscribe. But how to animate a screenshot of a comment or tweet as if it's writing on? Check this video to find out.